Well, the only one home is the cat. So I got this dispatch that's no AC. I gotta find the thermostat. But no one's home. So we're just going to help ourselves to the air conditioner. Maybe the cat will come along with us. I gotta find the basement. Ah, right here. Here's something. Lights. No AC. What we got here? 1998. Liquid line's cold. Damn it. Filtrate filters. Outside and see what we can find. Check the breakers while I'm down here. AC right there. At least we got good neighbors asking me what I'm doing. That's a bonus. Oh, I got an air conditioner around here somewhere. I wouldn't think it was on this side of the house. Oh, there it is. That. I don't have my stubby in my bag. That looks strange. Something strange looking down there. It's just a wire looping up over part of the compressor. Oh, it's a ballpark, Frank. It's a ballpark capacitor. 35.5. Let me go grab a 35.5. Let's check my fuses and make sure. jam the crap in here. Can't even get the drill back there, but whatever. Starts getting hot. Capacitors don't like the heat. Dropped a screw. I'll borrow one of these unused ones. Maybe I won't. Let me grab a capacitor. Let me check these fuses. Get him a Johnstone. Alright, oh, there's the other screw right there. It's getting ready to rain. It's supposed to have some pretty bad storms. Man, I can't even get my head back here. Didn't need fuses. Fuses were good. There we go. Things from 1998. Still got a good charge in it. It's pulling heat. find a hose. All right, we're gonna give her a little spray down. She lives. It lives. Well, don't mind my puffy eye. I was cutting lawn on Saturday. Luckily I had my glasses on, because a bee came down, boom, stung me right in the nose. I didn't know what the heck it was, you know. I thought it felt like something hot hit me. So I'm like brushing my face off. So I don't know where the bee went to or what happened, but here it is Monday and it's still swollen up. But besides that, typical standard service call, capacitor call. I was looking in the history. We replaced that capacitor back in 2015, and now it's 2022. About the average life expectancy for the capacitors nowadays. The good old gray capacitors that had the PCPs in them or whatever they had in them, those things last forever. I still find units with those old gray capacitors and they are still good. They're enormous. I mean, some of the ones I pulled out of like old Heil or Kenmore, or you know, those things were like that long and they're only like 30 microfarad. So you know, that's what happens. These new capacitors, they get hot, they don't like it, and they just pop. I had a call this morning, which I was shocked and was like, no AC. Last year I replaced a capacitor and a condenser fan motor, brand new dual capacitor. The damn thing was bad this year. Blew right up. I'm like, what are you gonna do? You know, you just replace it. But and I told the guy last year he might want to think about getting into a newer unit. And he did buy one this morning, but you know, one of our good customers. So I'm gonna get gas. You guys know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.